Guys, hi. So in the last video, you just saw how push notification layer for agents work. And in this video, you're going to be seeing how you can enable these push notifications for those agents. It's pretty damn simple. You just have to go to pushery.com/AI coding. You can also find this in the tweet reply. And then you just sign up. You enter your specific username that you like. I'll just go with this and continue. Then you select your plan. So once that's done, you'll be seeing connect your first agent screen. And here you just have a one-click install if it's Cursor, or if it's Claude Code, you just copy paste this onto the terminal. So let's do Cursor, just open Cursor and then install the MCP server, and that's it. Really, that's pretty much it. You are set. And now you can go ahead and chat with the agent to send notifications, or you can create your custom Cursor rules or agent rules that fire this accordingly. And if you want to get the push notification, you have to scan this code on your mobile phone. Or if you're okay with the desktop, you just leave it at the desktop. I would suggest using a mobile phone because you get like a nice notification. And yeah, so you just open up this QR code and you follow the instructions on the screen, and then you are pretty much set.